So Sayun, here we are just to start our journey of learning. Very simply, sir is going to pick any of the topics of math for this, you know, of grade 10th. And this is what he is going to discuss with you. During next 1 hour, you are going to discover a lot of new things with sir for this mathematics. Be very comfortable.
Yeah.
Sir, please start. Thank you very much. This is Sayun, and he is in grade 10. Thank you.
Hello, Simon. How are you doing?
Hello. Good.
All right. RP Singh, and I'm math faculty associated with TestprepKart for last 8 years. So here we are going to discuss some good things like I'll start with algebra part. Are you okay with algebra?
Yeah.
All right. So before going to start, can you please tell me about yourself,
Uh, I
your
play
hobbies, your
tennis.
academics?
I play tennis.
Okay, good,
I play piano. I
great.
like playing video games. My favorite subjects would be maths and science.
Oh, that's really good. All right. So you are in grade 10, right?
Yeah.
What was your score in grade 9?
I haven't received it yet.
Okay, so before grade 9, I think there were some school tests or quizzes in which what was your grade?
Uh, 90s, upper 90s.
Yeah, 97. That's good, really good. All right, so I have shared my screen, and here in this session we'll do discuss things together. And what we'll do here, we'll do discuss conceptual part first, and then we'll do basic questions, and then in last 20 minutes we'll do bit upper level of questions, right? So the topic what we are going to start is quadratic equations. Do you know about quadratic equations?
Yeah.
So what type of equations are called quadratic equations?
Ones with x squares and then
Yeah,
terms.
quadratics you can say. So
Yeah.
here it is like y equals to, in general form, can we write y equals to x square bx plus c type?
Yeah.
It's a quadratic equation. Why we are calling it as quadratic?
Because 3 terms and x square.
Term can be one also, then still it is a
Yeah.
quadratic. If I say just y equals to x square, this is also quadratic, right? Main thing is degree, right?
Yeah. The x
So
square.
yes, that is the main point here. X square means if degree is 2, then the expression is quadratic expression or equation is quadratic equation, right?
Yeah.
Terms can be 1, 2, 3, any. That is not a problem, right? So in quadratic equation, what we do, what type of graph we get for quadratic equation? Let's say if you need to draw y equals to x square, how do you draw the graph?
It's like a u or n. U for positive and for negative.
So here it is x square. Here leading coefficient is 1, you know.
Yeah. So
So what
positive.
would be the
So
graph? Positive.
u.
So
Yeah.
it's opening upward, right?
Yeah.
And it will touch origin or not?
It will.
It will, yes. So it will touch origin, and because it's 0 and 0 are satisfying, so this type of graph you will get, right? That is the graph of y equals to x square, right?
Yeah.
So quadratic equation, we can have three cases. One case, it will have two real roots, both are different, or it will have one real root, or you can say two real root, but both are same, and third, no real roots, right? So that is what we obtained by using, what we are using, discriminant. Do you know about the word discriminant?
No.
I'll tell you about discriminant. So discriminant is D, or some books are using word letter delta. So D or delta equals to B square minus 4AC. Okay. So B square minus 4AC, and here what is ABC? They are just taken from AX square BX plus C. Okay. AX square BX plus C. So A is what leading coefficient, B is the coefficient of X, C is constant.
Yeah.
That is called delta. So here first case, when delta or D is greater than 0, equation has two distinct real roots. Okay, so what we have, two distinct, what do you know by distinct?
Different.
different, yes, distinct real roots, right? Means if you draw as a graph, it will cut x-axis at two distinct points. Like suppose it's opening upward, then it will cut like this. If opening downward, again it will cut at two different places, right? So d is greater than 0. Second case would be when d equals to 0. Discriminant is greater than is equal to. So when equals to 0, then one real root. You can say only one real root. Or otherwise, if you say two real roots, then both are equal. So only one real root. Or because like suppose d is 0, then it will just touch x-axis like previous question, graph. So it will touch just like this. It will touch and go up. So here just at one point it will touch. So that's why it's having only one root, right? This is alpha. Here x-axis, y-axis. And when third case will be there, d is less than 0 means what will happen? No real roots.
Yeah.
If no real roots, then what type of roots are possible? Imaginary roots, right?
Yeah.
So no real roots means graph will never touch or never cut x-axis. So it will be going away from x-axis like this. Got it? Here d is less than 0. Here d equals to 0. So this is called the nature of the roots. Like if they'll give you question and will ask you find the nature of root, let me give you y equals to x square plus 5x plus 6. Find the nature of the roots. Will it touch x-axis? Will it not touch or cut x-axis? Or what type of nature it will have?
So x coefficient is 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Would have two distinct roots.
You are saying distinct roots. Okay, that's correct answer. Why? Because we'll do d equals to b square. So what is b here? 5. 5 square is
5.
25 minus 4ac. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 6 are 24. And that is 1. So 1 is what? Greater than 0. So
Yeah.
you can say two distinct real roots. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. So when you will draw graph, then it will just cut x-axis at two different points. So how do we find those roots? So how do we find those roots? In that case, we'll make given y value will be 0, so that it will touch x-axis or cut x-axis, and we'll find those values. So let me give you one equation. Here you will find the values of x. So they are saying find the x-intercepts. Find the x-intercept in the following equation. Or equation is 3x square plus 5x equals to 0. 3x square plus 5x equals to 0. Yeah. Find x-intercept or 3x square plus 5x equals to 0. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did this last year, but I can't remember right now.
No worries, I'll explain it. So here, what is common factor here? What is the common factor? X is the common, right?
Yeah.
You can take it out. What will left inside?
3x plus 5.
Very good. So we have two factors. We'll make each factor equals to 0. This will give you the x-intercept. First x equals to 0, then 3x plus 5 equals to 0. So what is the value of x?
Minus 1.
Minus
5.
5 over 3.
Yeah.
Because for finding x, we'll do opposite operations. What is the opposite of positive 5? That is negative 5, right?
Yeah.
So negative 5 will be done at each side. Then it would be 3x equals to negative 5. Here 3 multiplied with x. So what is the
Divide
opposite
by.
operation of, yes, opposite
Divide.
operation of multiplication is division. You'll do division.
Yeah.
So you'll get here x equals to negative 5 by 3. So what intercepts we are getting? 0, comma negative 5 over 3, right? So at
Yeah.
these points graph will cut x-axis. If you say, you can see like this type of graph you will get. All right.
Yeah.
Here it's 0 and here it is negative 5 over 3. And a is what? Already positive, so graph is opening upward. Got it?
Yeah.
So can you try another one? I'll give you similar question.
Yeah.
They are saying find the x-intercepts for the equation x square equals to 5x plus 6. X square equals to 5x plus 6.
Yeah.
Yeah. So any idea what would you do here?
I did x times x plus 5.
X times x plus 5.
Yeah. So like in
Then
a bracket equals minus 6.
you are saying x times x plus 5 equals to minus 6.
Yeah.
But how it can possible? If you expand it, it will be
Yeah.
x square plus 5x equals to minus 6. But this is plus 6 at other side.
Yeah.
And if you take it to the other side, then x square minus 5x minus 6. This is not same as the given equation, you know. Then what should we do? We'll take all terms towards left where x square is
Yeah.
given, right? So what we'll do follow this one. We'll do opposite operations. Opposite operation for shifting means here plus 5 is given, so we'll do negative 5 is negative 5x. Here
Yeah, we
also
make the
negative
whole
5.
thing equal to 0.
Yes. So when you take this left side, so it will be x square minus 5x equals to 6. Then again do negative 6 each side. It would be x square minus 5x minus 6 equals to 0. Got it?
Yeah.
So this would be your equation in standard form. And now you'll factorize it. Do you know how to factorize the quadratic equation?
Yeah.
Can you try?
Yeah, x minus 6 and then x plus 1.
X minus 6, then
X plus 1.
that's correct. So what are the values of x? These are the correct factors. Good job. All right.
So x minus 6 equals to x plus 1 equals 0. X equals minus 1, x equals 6.
X equals to?
6 and x equals minus 1.
That's right. You are right. So here we have these two. X intercepts means graph will cut x-axis at negative 1 comma 6 means its graph would like this, right? And parabola is opening upward because leading coefficient is positive, right?
Yeah.
Good. So this is how do we solve for x. All right. I'll give you more question. You can try one more. You can try 6x square minus 11x minus 10. 6x square minus 11x minus 10 equals to 0. Solve for x. Yeah, go ahead. Are you trying it?
Yeah.
So what did you do first?
I was fine. I was splitting the 11x, so I got 4x minus 15x. I'm just factorizing.
Okay.
Yeah. X equals 2.5, x equals minus 2 over 3,
X equals to 2.5.
minus 2 over 3.
That's right. 2.5 and minus
Yeah,
2
2
over
over
3.
3.
That's right. Absolutely correct. So this is the method. How do we find x-intercepts by using quadratic equation?
Yeah.
And suppose that, you know, by completing square method, if they ask you to solve by using completing square method, any idea? Completing the square method.
No.
You know?
No.
Okay. Completing the square means you need to make the equation in the form of like y equals to a times x minus h whole square plus k. So x term would be whole square and some constant will also be there. So by using this way, we will find the coordinates of the vertex of the parabola, right? So these are the coordinates here, h comma k. So if we need to find the coordinates of the vertex, then we convert the equation into vertex form, right? So how do we convert it? We are using some rules. I'll tell you those rules here. So rules are like, suppose you have given x square 4x plus 1, x square plus 4x plus 1 equals to 0, x square plus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. And we need to do what? We need to solve for x by using completing square method. So completing square means we need to make x square terms with whole square form. So first of all, you need to look into the leading coefficient. What is here? That is what here? 1, right?
Yeah.
If leading coefficient is 1, then divide the coefficient of x by 2. So what is the coefficient of x? 4. 4 divided by 2, that is 2.
Yeah.
So make it a whole square. So 4 square is what? It's just divide it by 2, make it whole square, that is 4.
Yeah.
So you should add and subtract 4 in this equation. X square plus 4x plus 4 minus 4 plus 1 equals to 0. Got it?
Yeah.
So this is what? X square plus 4x plus 4. It is a perfect square of something, if you know.
Yeah.
You know, whose perfect square is this one?
That's 1.
Hmm?
That's 1. So x.
No, it's a perfect square of x square. Like, you know, this identity a square plus 2ab plus b square. Do you know this identity?
Yeah, I've seen this.
It's a plus b whole square, right?
Yeah.
So this is what? X square plus 4x plus 4. It is just x plus 2 whole square, right?
Yeah.
And minus 4 plus 1 is what? Negative 3.
Yeah.
So this is your equation you got. This is, if instead of 0, if you write y, then it will give you the coordinates, vertex of the coordinates of the vertex, right? Suppose if it was here y equals to something, if suppose it was y square plus 4x plus 1, and if you write here x plus 2 whole square minus 3. So here you'll get the coordinates of the vertex. These are just minus 2 comma 3, minus 2 comma minus 3. Got it?
Yeah.
So this is helpful in finding the coordinates, and here we will also find x-intercepts. So you can take 3 to the right side. So for this we'll do add 3 each side, right?
Yeah.
So that would be x plus 2 whole square.
Equals 3.
That is equals to 3. So can you try to solve for x from here? Can you try to write x? So you'll do one thing. You'll take square root each side, right?
Yeah.
So it would be what? Plus minus root 3?
Yeah.
So x is equals to?
Root of
How do you find x
2
from
also
here?
gives- So
Sorry?
it's minus 2.
Yeah,
With 2 would also, and then plus or minus the root of 3.
that's right. So these are the x-intercepts, and these are the coordinates of the vertex, right?
Yeah.
So vertex, what is vertex in any parabola? Vertex is if parabola opens upward than the lowest point. It's a coordinates called the vertex. Let's say here -2 comma -3, and it will cut the x-axis. That is what -2 comma 3. You can say this point -2 minus root 3, and -2 plus root 3. Let's say this point -2 plus root 3. Got it? So your graph would be like this. Understood?
Yeah.
Right. So let's go to things. So this is how do we find the values of x. There is also one rule that is called using quadratic formula. Have you ever heard about the quadratic formula?
I might have.
No, what is quadratic formula? I think you learned it might
Is
in your
it
last grade.
minus b plus or minus then
You are on the right track. Go ahead.
square root b, and then there's b squared in it minus
Y equals to
4x.
ax square bx plus c, right?
Oh, this one. Yeah.
And this is what? This is your general equation, but you need to find value of x. Then you'll say x is minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, right?
Yeah, I've done this.
This is called quadratic formula. Got it?
Yeah.
So here you can make y equals to 0 because you are finding value of x. Will make this one equals to 0 and solve for x. So these x values are here. So you should remember this formula is applicable everywhere except leading coefficient equals to 0. But if leading coefficient is 0, then it is not defined. Okay. So I'll give you one question. You'll try it by using quadratic formula. Okay. Okay. You can try this one. X square minus 2x minus 6. Solve for x. Solve for x.
X square minus 2x minus 6.
Yeah, x square minus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. And by using quadratic formula, you need to find the answer into simplest form. We don't want in I don't want in decimal. You need to find in radical form.
Okay.
Go ahead.
1 plus root 7, 1 minus root 7.
So we can say 1 plus root 7. Yes, you are right. 1 minus root 7. Both the answers are correct. I appreciate. Good job. Keep it up. So let's try next one. This is how do we use quadratic formula. So that is applicable everywhere, right? So let me give one more on quadratic formula. You can try. That is just 2x square plus 3x minus 6. 2x square plus 3x minus 6 equals to 0. Solve for x. Sir, factorization not possible, you know. But quadratic formula, as I told you, working everywhere except leading coefficient 0. So you can use it without any problem. Go ahead. It's a minus 6, yeah. 2x square plus 3x minus 6.